In this session, I will explain how to insert a picture from Insert tab picture option and how to format the picture. Sometimes your document may need pictures in between the text. Suppose in this area I want a picture, so I am clicking on that picture and we have different options here. First option is this device. This device means from your local computer, or group of computers from your network, you can retrieve a picture. For example, in the hard disk C drive of my computer, I am having a picture. This is a picture from my computer. Okay, so you can adjust the size of the picture by selecting and adjusting margins of the picture. So I have this particular picture in between the text. So see, when you select the picture, automatically picture format will come. This is the new tab we have to format a picture. If you click on outside of the picture, automatically that format picture option will get disappear. Again, if you click on the picture or if you select the picture, automatically the picture format tab will come. You can use all these options. If you don't want the picture, means click on that picture and say or apply delete button from the keyboard, or otherwise by right clicking also you can delete. For example, Ctrl Z, and I am right clicking the picture and I can say cut from here. Otherwise, best option is use delete. Cut means again it will be in the clipboard area and you can paste it. Ctrl V, any number of times you can paste it. Instead of doing like that, simply select the picture and say delete from the keyboard. Okay. If you want more pictures which are not in your computer, and we have stock images option and online picture option. If you click on stock images, it will list you number of pictures, number of categories of pictures. But to get stock images, you must have internet connection live. And see images, and we have different categories of images like skill, sunset and outdoor pictures. We have number of pictures, road pictures, and which picture you want, you can click on that particular picture and then insert. And you can also select multiple pictures and finally you can insert. And we have icons option and cutout people, and like this we have different options. Of course, we need to remove this one. Why? Because previously I selected the category road, that's why it is showing that one. And if you click on icon, see we have number of icons we can insert in our, suppose if you want this one or if you want this one, you select multiple pictures and say insert. See, I selected 2 pictures and 2 icons. So automatically those pictures will be inserted in your document. As usual, you can reduce the size of the picture and you can do much more things using that picture. And to insert, we have more options here. Not only stock images, we have online pictures option also. In this, we have different categories of pictures here. Suppose in boards category, if you click on boards category, the different boards pictures will come. For this also you need internet connection. Okay, suppose I am selecting this particular picture and say insert. So like this we can insert number of pictures. Suppose that picture may be in corrupted position and you can select some other option. Suppose aeroplanes, I can select this one and say insert. See whether you are getting that picture or not. See, it is giving error. An error occurred while importing from that particular location. So maybe that server problem or something. Okay, anyway you can insert pictures from stock images always. Okay, when you select the particular picture, you will get the picture format options. So from this you can adjust the picture in number of ways. Like suppose picture format option. Suppose if you want remove background, you can remove the background of the picture, background removed. If you click outside of the picture, see the background get removed. And you can say Control G, Control Z to undo. And you can remove backgrounds to the most of the pictures. Suppose you select this picture, if you don't want the background means try to remove the background. And it's asking even mark areas to remove and keep areas to mark areas to remove and mark areas to keep, and I am clicking mark areas to remove. And if you click outside of that picture, see automatically the corresponding colors and most of the picture background removed. So for some pictures it will be very clear background clearance. So Control Z I am giving. Again you will get back the picture. See, the selected part background will get removed. So I am clicking outside of the picture, so automatically removed. I am applying Control Z to get back the picture. And you can increase the contrast, brightness or sharpen the picture always by selecting options provided by the sharpen, soften options. See, you can see the difference in the picture. Okay, like that you can correct the picture according to your requirement. And you can also set color. For example, colors. See, we can have gray colors or some other colors like this. We can change to multiple colors of the same picture. You can select the required color if you want. Okay, and I am clicking outside. I am not selecting that particular one. I am keeping the original as it is. And artistic effects are there. This also will give you different artistic options that can be implemented to that picture. And you can say transparency. See, transparency options also available. So like that you can apply. And we have compress picture. To reduce the size of the picture, we can compress the picture up to, but quality will be somewhat reduced. If you select lowest options, lower options, the quality will be somewhat reduced, but it will reduces the size of the picture. And here, see, this is change picture option. You can change this picture position with another from file or from stock image. Suppose in this place I can replace some other picture, suppose with this one. This picture will be replaced by the given picture. Okay, like that. And finally, if you want to reset the picture after all modifications, suppose I am doing some corrections in this picture. Suppose I did that correction and I am recoloring the picture, and I want the original picture, then you can reset it. This is the original picture. And we have number of styles here, picture styles. Suppose, see, different styles to the picture we can apply. Suppose like this. This picture also we can have number of options. Using number of tiles, we can place the picture inside the frames or different models. Okay, and we can change the borders of the picture border, and I can select the different colors as well as different lines like this. Okay, I can select multiple options here, and picture effects also available. Suppose I can make shadows, everything, edges. So like this you can adjust the picture by using different effects. And picture layouts also you can change. Suppose under the picture, if you want text, you can select this type of model and this type of model, inner text. Suppose if you want text there and type something, she is writing. Finally, click on the picture. So automatically it will give you the appearance like this. Okay, and select the picture. We have some more options here, and if you don't want these options, Control Z. I want the original picture to get the picture formats. Next, we can display alternative, create text description of the objects for the screen readers. So we can write description for that. Child writing on paper, that is the default description, and she is writing something you can type about that picture. Okay, and see, I am reducing the size of the picture, and you can set the position of the picture in the document. See, here position is there, where you want the picture. See, this is my document. I have some text here. I am having some titles here. I want the picture in the top of the document. Of course, top of the page already. If it is in the second page, suppose if you place that one in the first page, I will drag it and place it in the first page. It's not coming. Okay, I am cutting this one, Control X, and I will place this one in this position, Control V. Now, see, I can set the position of the picture in this page. Position, I will set to top left corner, and like this, top right corner, and middle of the page. This is wrapping, where you want to place the picture. And like this, we can adjust the picture between the text. In middle of the text, we can adjust where you want to place the picture. And also we have wrap text options. Suppose we have text above the picture and below the picture, and I want around the picture also. I want the text around the picture also. Then I have options like suppose through the picture, tight square. Square means almost it will come around, and see, front of the text, behind the text. Behind the text means front. In front side text is there, background picture is there. Front of the text means background text is there, in front picture is there. So like that we can have number of options. Suppose the thorough is the option. You can type the text around the picture. So like that we can place the picture in the document. Position of the picture we can wrap, and we can set default positions. And suppose I am copying the same picture, copy, and you paste the picture here itself. I have two pictures, one with another. Of course, you can have another picture also, not the same picture. Suppose, and I am selecting this one, bring to front. Yes, this is bring to front, and if you want to send back, send back. Like this, I can apply send back and bring forward. Which picture will be in the forward position and which picture you want in the backward position, you can set up between the different pictures. Okay, using the send backward, bring forward options, you can select bring forward. Suppose I am selecting this picture, bring forward, bring front, and if you want send backward, send back. Like that you can apply the options. Okay, and we have other options like rotating the object. Suppose if you want to rotate, you can rotate it. You can rotate up to your requirement, and rotation you can do using this symbol also. Rotating symbol is there, you can rotate like this also. Okay, and you can also crop the picture. Suppose I don't want these books and all, and here also I don't want, and select crop tool and exactly select the position. Suppose I don't want all this. You can crop it. You can crop it up to your requirement. And even I don't want the desk. So I want only that picture. So like that I can crop, and if you click outside of the area, you will get this picture. We have other options also. We can crop to that position, as well as we can crop to up to the given symbol. Okay, like that we are having different options related to the picture.